guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a friendship bracelet. But before we begin, make sure you guys subscribe and smash that like button. For this beautiful friendship bracelet, you guys are going to be needing 4 different colored strings. First step is to make a loop knot and tape it onto your table, just like that. Then divide the bracelet into 2 sections, and then it should end up looking kind of like this. Then you have to put the first string over the second string, making it look kind of like a 4, and then pull on them. You have to do this process twice. And after you do it twice, then continue with the other ones. Once you finish all of them, you'll realize that both strings you used for the ends are together. And that is correct. That is how it's supposed to be. Then use the first one that was next to the blue one and continue with the same process. You should keep on doing this process until it fits about half of your wrist. With the rest of the string, measure out how long you're gonna cut it. This should be pretty long, but not too long. Once you cut it, you're going to have to untape it from the table. Then you're going to put the rest of the string through the loop. After you do this, put it on without the string going out of the loop. But wait, do not tighten it yet. You have to take the string and put it under and through the loop to make a knot. That's when you can pull. Since this bracelet is adjustable, you can have it as loose or tight as you'd like it. Now you might be asking yourself, what am I going to do with this leftover strip? Well, you actually need it, so you can't cut it off. So you can leave it like that, or do as I do. I am just twisting it with the other string. You can leave this extra string just like that and let it be, or you could put it underneath of the knitting part that we did, and it'll look neater in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and found it helpful, make sure to smash that like button and please subscribe. So without further ado, goodbye!